Okay, day one, harvest 2021. We started. It's good. No breakdowns yet, but they'll happen. I am in a different tractor this year, and I'm in the auger wagon today. It's color coded on how to run. That's new. I don't know what that means, but it's new. And we've already had some miscommunication, but thank goodness my husband installed these for all of us to have access to. But so I'm definitely going to hear it. But when I try to anticipate his moves, like which way he's going to go, or it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So I just ask a whole lot of questions, and then I really annoy him. So yeah, day one. Still in yesterday's makeup, so we're off to a good start. Something else happened. I forgot what it was. Doesn't matter. It's Friday. Doesn't matter what day it is in harvest. It's harvest. So, day one.